Wow.
I'm free from the curse.
No, there's no way. I don't think
There was. You participated.
have a whole one. Yo.
Oh! That's what we like to see.
Have you literally just been fisting people?
Yeah. Dude, I just got 2 kills. Yeah, don't look at him. Ah. I don't want to be down. Pearl. Go. No.
Don't make me rip up the floorboard.
No. Here we go. Go. Run.
Oh my God, you're singing.
All right. Guys, I found him.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
Bruh. Finish the project. And I'm like, how? I'm like,
For playing, I regret inviting you. Don't come back. Go.
Stairs down. Come now. Just gonna.
You're done. You're done for.
I hate TNT.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that did 9.5. I wasn't even that close to it. Are you? Why did I test that? Never listen to the chat. The chat is terrible. The chat is not your friend. The chat hates you. Oh, you fools! You fools! You messed with the wrong man! 1v3! 1v3! And I burned to death! But I'm a hero! I can't help it! I want points! And go, no! Up! Oh no. Oh. Wait till he tabs out. I'm not gonna tab out while a TNT. Up! Ow! Shh! I need cobblestone. Bruh. Yeah! Kill it! Yeah! Get him! Yeah!
Okay, not good.
Get him! Get him! Yeah! Get him! Get him! Get him! I didn't go around telling people, hey guys, I'm a Minecraft YouTuber, look at me. Are you kidding me? Are you actually?